Hi, this is Ashley, the founder of Think Digital Business, and in this video I am going to teach you about starting an online business step by step. To help you achieve this, I will give you some essential tips and practical guidance so that you can set up and start a business right away. So if you're interested in starting an online business step by step, this video is for you. Stay tuned. More and more people around the world are starting an online business. An online business can give you more freedom and flexibility to work from virtually anywhere you want, and you can set your own hours and make a living on the internet. Here are some of the benefits of having an online business. It gives you global access 24 hours a day and 7 days a week to more people. It helps you improve client service through greater flexibility. It allows for the fast delivery of products and services online. You can have more freedom and flexibility in terms of working hours. You can start with low startup costs, which is perfect for new entrepreneurs without a lot of money. You can earn more money by having numerous online businesses. You have the opportunity to manage your business from anywhere in the world. You have many online business opportunities, such as running a shop or an e-commerce store. You don't need any experience to start your own business. You will only need a laptop and an internet connection. It gives you the opportunity to offer products and services online. You have the opportunity to work for clients as a freelance, and you can also set up your own freelance business. I will now give you some essential tips and practical guidance on starting an online business step by step from scratch. Step number 1. Choose a business structure that is right for you. When you start a business, you will need to decide if you want to operate as a sole trader, limited liability company, or a corporation. An individual or husband and wife can operate as a sole trader. This type of business is simple and you don't need to file any paperwork to set one up. You'll need to bear this in mind. Sole traders have no protection from liability for the business's debts and obligations. For this reason, I would recommend that if you want to start a business, you should choose to form a limited liability entity such as a limited liability company or a corporation. The owners of these types of business entities are typically not personally liable for the business's obligations, so this is probably the best way to operate from the start. Here is how it works. An LLC is generally more flexible and involves less record keeping and reporting than a corporation. A corporation may be a good choice if you want to bring in money from outside investors. So I recommend to think carefully about this before you set one up. Step number 2. Decide where you are going to form your business. You will be able to form an LLC or corporation by filing paperwork with the state or county. If you want to operate as a small business, it will be best to file formation documents in the state or country where you are located. By following this process, you can avoid the added costs of registering to do business in your home state and hiring an out-of-state registered agent. You will need to consider that if your business will have significant nationwide activity or you expect to attract venture capital, you might consider incorporating in Delaware. Step number 3. Choose a good name for your business. It will be well worth taking some time to choose a unique name for your online business. Here are some tips and guidance to help you choose a unique name. It helps you market your business more effectively on the internet. It minimises the chances that a similarly named business will accuse you of trademark infringement. It increases the chance that you will be able to get a domain name that matches your business name. It fully complies with state law requirements that corporation or LLC names be different than all other entity names registered in your state or country. When you have chosen a name that you like, you can use Google search to see if any similarly named businesses come up in the search results. If you find some similar results, then you may want to rethink your business name. You can also search trademarked names at the US Patent and Trademark Office website. and most states allow you to search registered businesses' names online. Step number 4. Set up a domain name for your online business. When you have chosen a name that you want for your online business, you will now need to register a domain name for your business. This is how people will find you on the internet. Your domain name will basically act as your internet address. For example, Google, the world's most popular search engine, has this internet address, www.google.com. Many domain names typically end in .com. If you are based in the UK, then a .co.uk will likely be more suitable for your domain name. You can also check your proposed domain name's availability by typing it into the address bar of your internet browser and seeing if an existing website appears. There are many companies that offer domain name registration. You simply set up an account, identify the name you want to register, and pay an annual fee to manage all of this for you. Step number 5. Set up and create your business website. Now, for you to get your website up and running, you will need to purchase website hosting, which is typically offered by the same companies that provide domain registration. Website hosting gives your website a place to live on the internet. You can set up a website yourself if you have a basic understanding. I would highly recommend that you use WordPress to build your site because it is easier to set up, manage, and it has lots of useful features to improve any site. If you would like to know how to set up your own website and build it with WordPress, then I recommend you have a look at our WordPress Starter training course. You may be in a position to set up the website yourself without any additional help. However, unless you have good experience in website design and web development, there can be quite a learning curve. If you have the budget, you may want to consider hiring a professional to help you with some or all of the following: configuring the website to look and have the design that you want, include the features you need on the site, creating and inserting a logo, optimizing the site for search engines such as Google, and creating text and high-quality images. When you have chosen a name and a business structure, filed paperwork with the state, and set up your website, you will be ready to get going with your online business. Remember that the internet is a busy place and you can't just sit back and wait for customers to come to you. You will need to look for ways to actively promote your business through online advertising, social media, word of mouth, and other promotional methods such as video marketing. So if you would like further training on starting an online business step by step in video format, please go and click the link below the video, or at the very least go through to our website where you can have a look at our online training courses. I recommend you have a good look at our online training courses and see which is the right one for you. You can study these courses and they will teach you everything you need to know about starting an online business step by step. These training courses are delivered in step-by-step tutorials, so they are perfect for people who have little or no experience. Please check out the link in the description below for more information. I hope you have enjoyed that tutorial. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments section below the video, and I'll be more than happy to help you, and I will respond to those questions. Please don't forget to connect with us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you. And it would really help us if you gave the video a like. Thank you very much for watching this video and supporting the channel. I do very much appreciate it and wish you all the best for starting an online business. Have a brilliant day.